Hey there, if you're looking to build your first website but don't know where to start, what services to choose and how to set up and make your site visible on Google, don't worry, I've got solutions for all your questions. So creating a WordPress website requires technical expertise from finding a hosting provider, choosing a domain name, choosing a website builder and connecting them all. Dealing with multiple vendors and payments, that's a lot of stuff you need to deal with in building and managing a WordPress website. And guess what? You can do all this in a single place. Yes, you heard me right. So watch this video completely to find out how. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of website building, specifically focusing on WordPress and Elementor Hosting. Alright, hello guys, welcome to Digital Hanky YouTube channel. I'm Kishore. In this channel, I make videos on digital marketing, website designing and tech tutorials. For more useful and informative videos, please subscribe to Digital Hanky YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to all so that you don't miss out on latest video updates. Alright, if you're ready, let's get started. Why Elementor Hosting? Elementor Hosting for WordPress is the perfect solution for web creators who wants to focus entirely on creating an excellent website. An all-in-one solution, the built-in hosting features eliminates web creators from purchasing other third-party WordPress plugins. The ultimate hosting for building website with Elementor. Managed WordPress hosting, AI integration. It's an additional package. You get a free trial and is seamlessly integrated into the Elementor editor. Super fast performance. By purchasing Elementor hosting, you are also getting the Elementor Pro Advanced package included, which is alone worth $99 per year. Multiple backup options, one-click website, Google Cloud Platform, one-stop support for hosting plus website builder, and 24/7 security monitoring. Guys, choosing the right hosting plan is very important for your WordPress website. It impacts speed, performance, uptime and security. As you can see, 15 million plus websites are built with Elementor, over 6.5k plus 5-star reviews. That's amazing. 100 plus powerful WordPress widgets. And interestingly, for every 15 seconds an Elementor site is built. That's crazy, isn't it? Having said that, the best thing is that Elementor has received 2023 Steve winner for the best sales and customer service. So that's why we are going to choose Elementor Hosting to build our WordPress website. Okay, for your convenience, I have provided my affiliate link in the description box below. Click on the link to get started, or you can go to this link which I displayed on the screen. Choosing the hosting plan. Alright, now we are here on the pricing page of Elementor Hosting. We have got 4 different pricing plans: basic, business, grow and scale. If you're a beginner and starting your first website, you can go with the basic plan, or if you're someone who's starting a business and wants to have an online presence, then you should consider going to a business plan, as you'll be getting double benefits and advanced features like staging environment. Alright, this video is for beginners who wants to start their first website online without worrying much about the technical aspects. So let us go with the basic plan. Click on buy now. And as you can see, we have chosen Elementor Hosting. The basic plan is $9.99 USD per month into 12 months, which is about $119.88 USD per year. You're going to be getting first year discount of 60 USD. The very first thing you're going to do is sign up with your Google, Facebook or Apple account, or you can continue with your email as well. Enter your email, create a new password and click on create my account, and you'll be automatically logged into your Elementor account. Next, you have to enter your billing address, first name, last name, and your email will be automatically filled, and that's very important as it helps you to receive the invoices and updates from Elementor. Your country and ultimately the address. Once you are done with that, click on continue. Finally, you have to choose a payment method to complete the purchase. You have a couple of options to choose from. You can either go with the credit card or PayPal option. I'm going to go with the PayPal option, and you will get this confirmation screen. Thank you for purchase. I'm Kishore. Access the Elementor dashboard. Now, to access the Elementor dashboard, go to this link my.elementor.com. Alright, now we are inside the Elementor dashboard. Here we have a couple of tabs hosted by third party, hosted by Elementor. Now let's create a new website hosted by Elementor. To do that, click here, create a hosted website. Here you'll need to provide a name for your website. I'm gonna give this and click next. Now you got to choose a template kit. You can choose the type of website you want to create from these options: blog, online store, portfolio, or a simple website. Now here we have a bunch of templates options to choose from to start with your website. If you're not sure which one looks best, you can click here to preview the template kit. If you're happy with the template, then click here, start with this design, and that's going to install the template onto your brand new WordPress website. So it's going to take a few minutes. Okay, it says your site is ready. Now to access your Elementor dashboard, go to this link, my.elementor.com. You will come to the Elementor dashboard. If you notice here, we have a website hosted by Elementor. Now I want you to click on this manage this website. This is our new Elementor's free domain. Let's see how we can edit the content of this template kit. Editing the template kit. Alright, now to edit the content on this template kit, down here if you notice we have the pages. Let's say you want to edit and customize the home page, then you need to click on this edit option and immediately the page will open in another tab, and that's going to bring up this live page editor. Elementor Basics. On the left hand side of the screen you will see the Elementor widgets panel. This is the search box to search the widgets. To use this widget, just click drag and drop, and here under content you can change the text. Under style you can do the customization. Under advanced you can do the advanced settings. While you are editing, you won't see the search box if you want to add a new widget. Instead you will see this plus icon. Click on that to add a new widget. If you want to jump to a particular section, then you can easily navigate with this structure option. You can easily access all the sections in one place. Here you can see the page that you are editing. This is the page settings. You can change the page title, change the status. You can write a description, featured image, allow or disallow comments, hide or unhide the page title, and choose the page layout. Next, we have the device selection option. We are viewing the desktop version. Click on this to view the tab version, and similarly click this for the mobile version. It's pretty easy to switch between the devices and edit. Edit the content. If you want to change this heading, just click on it and you can change the text. Similarly, if you want to change this image, click on it and choose the desired image. If you want to change the call to action button text, click and change the text. You can also change the target link here. Just type and choose the page. It's simple. Alright. Similarly, you can change everything on this page. Looks good? Then give a like to this video. By the way guys, this video is sponsored by Elementor, and thanks to Elementor. Guys, if you still haven't purchased Elementor Hosting, then visit my affiliate link that's displayed on the screen right now. Also, for your convenience, I have provided the link in the description box as well. Click on that and get started. Once you're done with the changes, click on publish here. Add a logo. Now that you have edited the content and changed the media, it's time to add the logo. So to change the logo from your WordPress dashboard, click on visit site. That's gonna take you to the home page, and head out to edit with Elementor and click on the header. This is the header template. So if you want to know how to create this type of header, then check out my video on how to create transparent sticky header in WordPress with Elementor. I have provided the link in the description. Now to change the logo, just click here, click on change site logo and choose the logo image and select. Once you're done, click save changes. Theme Builder. The Theme Builder provides a visual overview of the site elements of your website, helping to guide you through each of the site parts you need to create to achieve a complete website. To access the Theme Builder, head out to the WordPress dashboard and hover on templates here, and there we go, we have Theme Builder option. Click on that. Now we are inside the Theme Builder dashboard. Elementor's theme builder lets you customize each and every part of your WordPress site without coding, including your header, footer, global pages, posts, global archives, and WooCommerce products and product archives. Using the theme builder, you can add new site parts, add a header, edit existing site parts, or delete site parts. Each part gets an automatic image preview of the actual template. Theme builder allows you to see the entire site. You can check each of the site parts from here and edit the one you wish. This green dot indicates the active site parts. You can also see their instances and manage these display conditions right from the theme builder. That's a great feature, I would say. If you wish to make changes to the display conditions, then simply click on Edit Conditions and set the conditions and click Save and close. Another interesting part is that clicking here allows you to export this part template, delete and rename the template. If you wish to import this template to another site, simply click on this arrow and import the template file. Cool, right? How to add a new page? Okay, now that we have done all the basic setup, it's time to add a page for your website. To add a new page from your WordPress dashboard, just head over to Pages and click on Add New Page. You'll get this pop-up. Name your page. I'm going to give you Services and click on Save. Now we have an empty page. I'll show you using the template library how we can create a page quickly, adding a template or block from the library. If you notice here, we have an Add Template option. Just click on that. Now here you can search for the page template for instance, services. You have many options to choose from. To preview this template, just click on that and you can scroll to preview the template. If you're happy with the template, then click Insert and you'll get this prompt. This will override the existing design, layout and other settings of the page. Doesn't matter as we are working on a blank page. Click Apply and the template will be added to the page. So this way you can save lots of time building the website by using these templates. Let's say if you didn't like the particular section, you can delete this, or if you want to remove the entire page template, then just press Ctrl Z to undo it. So the entire template will be removed. You can also create a page section by section using block options. Here, let's say you can search for the hero section and insert it. So it's simple and straightforward. Guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, please give a thumbs up for this video, and obviously you can customize always according to your preferences. Difference between pages and posts. Guys, pages and posts are two important things in WordPress, and each one of these is used in different purposes. Let me try to explain in simple. So whatever you see here, home, about, services, clients, contact, etc. These are the fixed and you don't often change. So these are pages, and these are a couple of things on the pages: parent page and child page. These are parent pages and these drop down lists are child pages. And when it comes to posts, these are meant for blogs. And to show you how that looks, I'm going to go to Elementor blogs. So this is the blog page and these are posts inside the blog page. Let's click on this and this is how a typical blog post looks. Hope you got an idea. Particularly if you want to write an article, you should use this post option. Add a new post. So let me show you how to add a new post. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the post option here and click on add new post. Here you need to enter the post title. I'm going to quickly add the content. So once you are done adding the content, it's time to publish the content. To publish, go here and click on publish. Now if you go to Google and search for your website, it doesn't show because it's locked. So how do we unlock this now? Go to my.elementor.com and click manage this website and scroll down. Here you'll see site lock option. Toggle this off and your site will be unlocked and you will be able to see your website on Google. So let me go to Google and search for my site. As you can see, our site is live now and it is visible for all the visitors. Elementor Hosting features managed WordPress hosting. Now Elementor offers advanced features with managed WordPress hosting, backups, Backups is one of the useful features. Elementor automatically backs up your website every 24 hours and it stores it for up to 14 days. Here you can export the website files and database, restore them, and you can even create instant manual backups. Staging: if you go to an advanced option for business, scale and grow, you'll get a staging feature. As I said before, this is a testing environment that allows you to test your website design changes with plugins and theme installations before pushing it to live website. And it's a great feature, it doesn't disturb your site. Custom domains. Now the interesting part of this video. You might be saying, hey, we have purchased the hosting, installed the WordPress and template kit, customized the website, but we don't like the default domain. Is there a way to change that to yourdomain.com? Yes, certainly. Go to manage domains, and if you already own a domain with some other domain provider, then click this plus button to connect a domain. If you don't have one, then don't worry, you can purchase from Hover. Okay, now click on connect your domain. Here you need to enter the domain name you have and click let's begin and follow the instructions. Elementor Hosting offers a robust solution to the challenges involved in developing a reliable WordPress website. Elementor Hosting is the perfect choice if you want to start an online store, build a website for your business, or showcase your work without having to deal with the challenges involved in building a professional website. It makes it simpler for you to go live without sacrificing quality and at a reasonable cost by combining speed, simplicity, and quality in one package. Elementor Hosting is the ultimate solution to power your online presence. So what are you waiting for? Start your web creation journey today with Elementor Hosting. Thank you guys. See you in my next interesting video. Until then, take care.